What's going on, everyone? So I just got my hands on the latest copy of Adobe Premiere Pro, and it's got a lot of features, so I wanted to go over most of these one by one and give you more detail on each. So the first and probably the biggest new feature is the color match tool. You can find this in the Lumetri color panel. You'll notice that the color wheels section of the Lumetri panel has now changed to color wheels and match. Here you can switch the program monitor to a comparison view where you can look at two different shots and then apply a color match to those two shots with a single click of a button. Another big feature is the audio ducking tool in the Essential Sound panel. This was a popular feature in Adobe Audition that they've now installed in Premiere Pro. It allows you to automatically add keyframes to a music clip and have it duck underneath dialogue. The Essential Graphics panel got a complete makeover and now has expanded support for new properties. It's also now tightly integrated with Adobe Stock, so you can filter pre-made motion graphic templates, both premium and free versions. You can quickly update these templates in your sequences with new versions, retaining the settings and the customizations from the original. There's new controls available when editing in VR that allow you to rotate your view without having to actually move your head. Floating panels will show your position in time and space, and you can use handset controls to change your orientation or move on the timeline. They also have new support for the Windows Mixed Reality platform, which allows you to expand the range of available head-mounted displays for your VR work. You can keep track of different time codes in the new timecode panel, which includes displaying in and out points, overall duration, absolute timecode, or source timecode for the current shot. And last but not least, my favorite new feature is that you can copy and paste sequence markers and retain marker spacing and information, including the colors, the notes, and the durations when moving one or multiple clips. So what's your new favorite feature in Adobe Premiere Pro? Let me know in the comments section, and I'll see you next time.